Bartender, I really did it this time. Broke my parole to have a good time. When I got home, it was 6 a.m. The door was locked, so I kicked it in. She was tripping on the pills. I think she was high on some pills. She threw my shit out into the yard. They called me a bum and slapped me real hard. And in my drunken stupor, I did what I should have never done. Now I'm sitting here talking to you, drunk and on the road. I'm sitting at a bar on the inside, waiting for my ride on the outside. She broke my heart in the trailer park, so I jacked the keys to a fucking car and crashed that piece of shit and stepped away. No more, I'll probably get 10 years, so just feed me beer till they get here. Yeah, I know the sun is coming up, and y'all are probably getting ready for closing up, but I'm trying to dry my soul. I'm got life on a dirt road, and everything that I love is gone, and I'm tired of hanging on. She got me sitting at a bar on the inside, waiting for my ride on the outside. She broke my heart in the trailer park, so I jacked the keys to a fucking car and crashed that piece of shit. And I guess it was meant to be. Romance is misery, so much for memories. Now I'm headed to the penitentiary. See me on TV, the next cop series. I am a danger. I guess I should have done something about my anger, but I never learned. Things I don't concern, I put kerosene on everything I love and watch it burn. I know it's my fault, but I wasn't happy it was over. She threw a fit, so I crashed that piece of shit over. And I'm going back again, back to the pen to see my friends. When we all pile out that county van, don't ask me where I've been. I've been at a bar on the inside, waiting for my ride on the outside. She broke my heart in the trailer park, so I jacked the keys to a fucking car and crashed that piece of shit and stepped